describing this
process.
Process of digestion.
Also, at the same time, we have to be practical. Pratyahara should be practiced in a safe environment, like in your meditation room, in your yoga, your yoga space, because obviously we don't want to practice Pratyahara when we're on the road.
Yeah.
I mean, this is so important. You know, there's a time and place for it. For practicing Pratyahara, and it's not when you're in the midst of doing something that can endanger yourself first and also other people. You know, we're not withdrawing our senses. We have to be able to hear things. We have to be able to see things. We have to be able to act upon things in a practical manner. But when you're in your yoga room or your meditation room or wherever it is that you practice, you know, you do your yoga practice, or when you're teaching students, that's the time to practice this or let it be known what this is about, or what your pranayama is actually imparting to us or being a side effect of. So, you know, we have to be very practical about it. Yeah.
I think because a lot of times we're always in emergency mode, that stress mode, so we in our minds might think that we always have to be on to protect, right? That's kind of the philosophy of the evolving brain, that there's that primal part of the brain that's always
fight or flight.
Fight or flight, yeah. So when you go into your meditation, there should be a certain level of security that you feel when you go there, because it's going to ask you when you get to this point to let go. It's kind of that jump off point where you've done the work up to this point. Now you have to allow yourself to let go and die within in Pratyahara, letting go of all the senses. I remember distinctly when I was in meditation at on retreat, and I realized that I couldn't feel anything, and that was it was a pivotal point for me, because I realized the teacher telling me not to move when I was in meditation, that once I get settled, just try not to move. Then I understood it. I completely understood why it was that you try not to move when you're in deeper meditation, because that Pratyahara comes about. Yeah.
So,
all right.
Onward and upward.
All right, thanks.
Bye.